Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this origami tech deck, also known as a skateboard, and check it out. And it looks pretty cool, and it seems like you're riding it just like that. And yeah, it has wheels on it, and I'm going to show you how to make it. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I used a 6-inch square of paper, but for this tutorial, just to make it easier to follow, I'm going to use a 10-inch square. So let's begin either side up, and we're going to divide this into thirds. So we're going to fold this up. How much? We'll fold it up so that this is equal to that. And just do your best. And now fold this part behind, and you just want to fiddle with the folds until they align. So it's a little too short on top, so I'm just gonna fold it like this and fiddle with them back and forth until you get it just right. Okay, and it's sticking out a little bit here, so I'm just gonna move behind a little bit and then okay, once you got that, pinch. Okay. And we don't need to repeat on, well, actually, yeah, let's repeat on the side. So I just want to make it more exact. So fold it up halfway, estimate it, and then fold behind, and fiddle with it until the points line up. Okay, like that. Alright, now fold to these pinch marks. Okay, and now rotate and fold in half. Okay, just like this. Okay, so now we're going to make a series of crease marks. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold the model in half, but don't fold it, just make a crease mark on the left and a crease mark on the side. Just like that. And now fold to your crease marks and just make 2 crease marks, one right here and one right here. Okay, and repeat on this side. So fold like this, but just make 2 crease marks. Like that. Okay, and now fold this edge to these 2 crease marks, but just make 2 crease marks. One right here, and one right here. Okay, and now rotate and fold this edge to these 2 crease marks, but just make 2 crease marks. One here, and one here. Now unfold and now fold to your nearest crease marks, and just make 2 crease marks. One here and one here. So it's like we're dividing this into 8, but using crease marks, not actual creases. But we're actually going to extend a few of these crease marks to make a crease. Okay, so now fold to your nearest crease marks again on the side, but just make 2 crease marks here and here. Okay, so this is divided into 8 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're going to extend a few of these crease marks into creases. So let's extend the second set of crease marks on this side. So 1, 2. So 2 units up. So fold on that second one, and we're actually going to extend into a crease, just like that. Now unfold, and now 1 more unit up. We're going to extend these into a crease now. So like this. We're not extending all of them into creases, just a few. Okay, like that. And now to make it a crease in between this segment, so fold it up so that this crease aligns with this crease. See? Just like this. Just like that. Now we have a new crease in between there. Okay, now repeat all that on this side. Here we go. So I'm gonna go at normal speed. So fold on the second set right here, and make it into a crease this time. And unfold and one unit up. Make it into a crease, just like this. Okay, and now make a fold in between. So fold it so that this crease aligns with this crease. Or in other words, we're folding this edge to that crease. See? Just like that. Okay, and now turn over. And now we're pretty much done with the pre-creasing. We just need to start forming the skateboard. So what we're going to do is we're going to take, zoom in. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this bottommost crease right here and we're going to fold it up to this crease. So we're making a pleat fold. See? Just like this. And now turn over and make this fold nice and sharp. Like that. And repeat on this side. So take this crease and fold it to that edge. See? And turn over and make this fold nice and sharp. Just like that. Okay, so that side's done, and now repeat on this side. So take this mountain fold and fold it to that crease. So make a new fold in between there. And turn over and make this fold sharp, nice and sharp. And rotate and repeat on this side. Lift the crease up and fold it to that edge. Turn over. Increase it sharp. Just like that. Okay, so now comes the hardest part of the model, but it's not terribly bad though. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and we're gonna fold this up. How much? Well, actually, just to make it a little bit easier to follow, let's I know a little step we can do, so just kind of fold this up as far as it goes and just make a light fold, just about that much. And now take this edge and fold it to that crease we folded, like this. And now unfold. And now we're gonna fold this up and we're gonna reverse fold on that crease, like that. Oh yeah, that makes it so much easier. Like this. So on this model, I actually just went ahead and folded this up and then flattened here, like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and do the pre-creasing. So like that. And so we're gonna fold it up and fold it so that the edge is right here aligned. And try and make it even all the way across. Just like this. Just do your best. And crease everything sharply. Okay, and now let's repeat. Well, let's do this side after we do this side. So let's do this side and then I'll show you how to make the middle. So fold this up and just make a light fold, just about ½ inch long, and unfold it. And now fold this edge to that crease. Like that. Unfold. And now open here and reverse fold. Like this, and then fold it up, making the edges align on this side. And try and make it as even as possible all the way across. See? Just like this. Okay, now the middle, it's pretty much similar, but we're going to do these two reverse folds at the same time. So, but yeah, once again, fold it up, make that ½ inch light fold, and repeat on the side. Okay, and then fold this edge to that crease. Alright, and then repeat on this side. Okay, and then now lift here, and let's make the reverse folds. Actually, in my opinion, the middle is actually a little bit easier for me. And just fold it up like that. See? Like that. Alright, so this side is done, and now let's repeat all that on this side. So here we go. So make our light fold first. Fold it about like that, and then fold this edge to that crease we made. Okay, unfold and lift the edges up, all layers, and make that reverse fold. Alright, and then fold this up and make the edges line on this side. And try and make it even all the way across. Okay, increase that nice and sharp. Okay, and now I'm going to do the middle next. So, here we go. Make that like that. And yeah, I can go ahead and fold to the crease. Okay, and this side. Okay, and open and reverse. Okay, and then fold it up as far as it goes. Okay, and then this one, last one. Make that fold, and make that airplane fold. Unfold, and reverse. And fold this up, and make the edges line. See? Just like this. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is, this is also kind of tricky, but not quite as tricky. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take this edge and we're gonna mountain fold it on the crease we made. So just kind of undo that reverse fold temporarily and just mountain fold on that same crease, like this. See? Just like this. And that's what it looks like. Okay, and now the middle one, pretty much the same thing, just on both reverse folds. So just unfold both folds just temporarily and then just mountain fold on that existing crease. See? Just like that. See? And same here, undo the reverse fold and mountain fold on the crease. And then like that. Okay. Like that. Alright, now I'm gonna show you on this one, then I'm gonna fast forward these two. So here we go. So just undo that reverse fold and mountain fold on that existing crease. Okay. You can make it sharp if you want. Okay, and I'm gonna go fast on these two. Fast forward. Alright, just like that. Now just flatten everything. Crease everything sharply. Okay, now we're almost done. We just need to shape it, so let's round these off. So just fold these 2 points behind and just shape it to taste. So I'm gonna fold it about like that. And see on this side. To taste. Okay, and then see on this side. And it's alright if the paper right here is kind of up like that. That's alright. That's how this model is. So, and plus that's on the underside, and you don't need to see the underside. Okay, and now for the wheels, it's really easy. I actually kind of like this step. Fold this like that. I just like the way that fold feels. See, I think it feels kind of cool. See, like that. And repeat here. And repeat here. And we are done. So here is our skateboard. or a Tech Dech. See? And what I really like about it is that I like how these two sides are up like that. And that's how skateboards are, those two ends. They're kind of slanted up like that. See? That's what this model is too. And then maybe if you want, you can kind of round the wheels off because the wheels are round. But actually, I'm not going to do that. I kind of like it like this because it's easier and cleaner. And yeah, so you can make like an origami person, or you can just use your fingers. You can pretend like you're riding it. See? I'm riding it across the table. See? Just like that. Alright, hope you guys were able to fold this, and make sure you subscribe, and if you manage to fold it, make a demo of it, and make a comment below and put the link to your demo in there, and I'll hopefully check it out. Alright, see you guys later.